Hi everyone, welcome back to the 8th video of this series. So in this video, we will be 3D have a look on the 3D visualization in the workspace. As you can see, I have opened the 3D view of the nice looking PCB, and you can see it's the top side of the PCB, and all the components are placed on the top side of the PCB. This type of PCB is called the double layer and the single sided PCB because the components are placed only on the single side. But when you click on the component, the specific component as the button, then you will see the properties opens on the right panel. So here I have added all the components which are necessary for the PCB design, and when you click on the PCB option you can see the PCB view of the design layout. It's the overall layout, and you can also look for specific layer in this design by opening it to the Altium Designer Develop software. So here when you click on some specific component, it will be highlighted. So how the mechanical engineer comes to the workspace and how the electrical and the mechanical engineer collaborate so they can design the enclosure for this Arduino. So I will give you a quick look at how can we add someone to the workspace, and how can he use the SolidWorks to update or upload the changes. Like if he notice that the specific component or this component is not as per the mechanical constraints, the height is more than expected, then he will add the comments in the uh, design and post them to the workspace. So just click on this settings option and make sure that this Altium Co-Designer extension is checked, and click on OK button. So you will have some Co-Designer interface like this. So you can add your account over here, or you can simply click on this Google icon. Then it means that it will be sent you in through your Google account which you have on Altium 365. As you can see on the top right corner of this white panel, Altium Co-Designer uh, menu, that this Arduino UNO team, it means that I have successfully logged into this workspace. So go to the Altium Designer Develop and open the MCAD Co-Designer, and you can push to MCAD. So this design you can push this design to the mechanical designer. It means that the SolidWorks will have access to this project, and he can see the comment of the electrical engineer that he have any issue on the component height or this stuff. So they can change or use some alternate part with much smaller height. So let me add this comment over here. Here is the updated design on Arduino Uno. Let's have a look at its mechanical side. So click on send, then this will be sent to the MCAD Co-Designer, which is installed on the SolidWorks extension. So it is successfully posted. So the latest from the ECAD, it means from the PCB designer. The latest message you can see on the top, that here is the updated design on Arduino Uno. Let's have a look at its mechanical side. So go back to the SolidWorks, and the mechanical designer will pull the changes, and we'll see that the project is basically the Arduino Uno, and click on the project, and once it processes the project, click on OK, then it will open this project into the SolidWorks. So you have to wait for some second and save the project to the uh, to your destination location. So click OK after selecting the location, and it will be processing in the background. and then after processing it will open the PCB 3D or the mechanical design into the uh, this SolidWorks. So you can see it is processing. It is taking some time. So let's wait a second until it uploads or pull the changes from the ECAD designer from the PCB. So now you can see here's a 3D view, but there is some problem with this 3D view or the mechanical design of this PCB is that the headers and this power jack, USB jack, and other some specific components are not particularly assigned to this board. The 3D views are not correctly imported. So maybe the designer can comment back to the electrical designer or mechanical designer, PCB designer, that he got this type of PCB. It's not as per the design. So then the designer, after reading, he can make the necessary changes required to meet the requirements. So let's look over here. All the components are placed on the top side and nothing is in the bottom side. Oh, I think it's because that we just logged out from the workspace. So we have to log back into the workspace. So after you log into the workspace, then you can place the command and send it back to the PCB designer in the same way that the designer sent the command uh, from their interface. So I am pushing the design back to the PCB designer. That let's have a look over here as well. That I think there is something wrong with this design of the 3D view. So here you can see the latest from the MCAD. The MCAD, what latest message the MCAD designer sent back to the PCB designer. You can look at it. So here is the PCB view under the workspace and in the Altium designer. They both are same. Let me pull the changes from the MCAD designer and let me see the latest from the MCAD designer. I think it's wrong file. Please check it. So okay, you can designs are identical, but there is no issue with this design and the previous design was sent to the MCAD designer. So I think everything is fine, but again, the PCB designer will see that maybe there is something like the 3D bodies for the parts which are used on under the Arduino may be wrong. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.